Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this Linux hosting service, which is Rosehosting. So here's the breakdown. The Rosehosting focus on managed Linux VPS hosting, handling server setup, updates, security and backup for you. It delivers a strong performance, reliable uptime and responsive 24/7 support, which make it a solid choice for business and developer who want hand-off server management. The pros include the fully managed Linux server, good speed and stability, non-negotiable support, and the better value than many managed VPS competitors. So talking about the cons, which is the downside, the higher price of the site compared to other basic hosting, the fewer beginner-friendly plan and features that may be unnecessary for small personal sites. So in my opinion, I actually think the hosting service is worth using if you want a reliable managed Linux hosting at a fair price without doing the technical work yourself. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.